Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can create a cover design for the children books. I have these characters here. You can find this on Freepik for free. I will also leave the related links in the description as well, so make sure to check that out. Now let's start designing. I'm going to create a new file here and click on new and click on the more settings, and here I'm going to name it a book cover. The profile will be the custom. Number of artboard will be the 1. In my case I have the book size, exactly the letterhead size, so that is 8.5 inches to 11 inches. The color mode will be the same. Also add the bleed marks if needed. Now hit on create document, and here you have the artboard for your book cover design. Now I'm going to grab all of these and put it on my artboard here. Now I'm going to create a background layer first. I'm going to name it background. I'll be choosing the rectangle tool. Now I'm going to align the board with this one, and I'm going to change the color to this one. I'll be using the lighter shade of that as well. I'm going to create a design layer now. And now let's start designing. First I'm going to put this main character here. I'm just going to take a copy of this one and put it on my design layer. This looks good now. I'm going to place it back here. Again, by selecting the design layer, now I'll be taking a copy of this one and put it on my design layer. And I'm going to make it bigger. And I'm going to make some adjustments. Now I'll put it here. And now I'll be adding this little mascot. And I'll be taking a copy of this one and put it on my design. And I'm going to scale it a little bigger. Yeah, this looks good now. This is just a basic design. I'm not finalizing this. You can just use your imagination and you can go with your own, that where the characters will look good, and you just stick with it. Now I'll be adding some more design to that. First I'm going to lock this layer, and I'm going to create another layer, and here I'll be using the pen tool. I'll be drawing something here. Now once I'm done with the design, I'm just going to unlock the background and just remove the excessive part that I don't need by selecting these two. I'll be using the shape builder tool and cut out this part, and now I'm going to select this one and now cut out this part. And again from here I'll be selecting these two. I will cut out this and this part. I don't have a logo on me right now. I'm leaving a space here for the logo. Now let's write the author name and the text of the book. I'll be using the Memorial Lane font. You can add some details as well, like the shadow of the person and the objects in there. I'm just going to unlock the layer, and by selecting this character and this, I'll be taking a copy of this one and pasting it right on above that. Now I'm going to change the color to dark gray, something like that. Now I'll be changing the transparency to like 60%. Now I'm going to group all of these by clicking right and select group. Now I'll be adjusting these something like here. Now I'm going to select this one and go to the arrange and send to back. The shadow is not looking that good, so I'm going to reselect that again, and I'm going to reposition it to this part. Yeah, now you can see the shadow looks good as well. So that is the finished design. So this is it guys, that's how you can create a book cover design in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if this video helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.